Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan TSI 4Motion. What you'll be needing would be a torque wrench or torque meter like this one, 32mm sockets, most likely an extender, a ratchet. You'll need a pick, a flathead screwdriver, Volkswagen rated oil filter. You'll need like high performance engine oil, OW20, and about 6 quarts of it. And then you will need a funnel and an oil pan. Let's get started. So let's get the vehicle started. And after it's hit its running temperature, we will change the oil. As we can see, the engine is at its running temperature, so let's get started. So right over here, we're gonna get the plastic covering off. There we go. And then right over here, that's where the oil filter is. Open this. And let's get the filter removed from the housing. And then take the pick and remove the O-ring. And then put on the new O-ring. Don't forget to lube the O-ring. And then take the new filter and should just snap in place. And there we go. Let's replace the filter. And then torque it to 25 Newton meters or 18.44 pounds. Then we unscrew this plastic bolt over here. Once most of our oil has drained, just gonna screw the screw back in until it clicks. There we go. And let's go up top and fill her up. Okay, get this open, put in the funnel, and then pour in the oil. 6 quarts. replace the cap. Start the engine, warm it up, let it run for a few minutes, and then let's check the oil. Now let's check the oil. Looking good. So to get rid of the service oil now indicator, we will press and hold this button and press the start button without pressing the brake. Let's do it. There we go. Then turn the car off and let's check it. When you press over here, it'll bring you to the car. We press setup, and then we go down to service, and then in 7,500 kilometers or 365 days. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like this video, and hope to see you next time.